Hi guys, I hope you're well. Thank you for joining me for today's Zara haul video. I asked on my Instagram at @BUTTRICK. If you're not following me, I'll leave it linked in the description box below. I do daily updates, mainly stories and feed posts and styling videos as well. So there will be 5 chic Zara outfits styled over on my Instagram, which is inspired by these pieces here, and that's live for you to go and see now, so head over to it, @BUTTRICK, and you'll see that on my feed. And in this YouTube video, I am going to be showing you the items and pairing them together as the outfit as well, but instead of like a kind of, my outfit, to some music that I do over on my Instagram, instead I'll be telling you kind of like the fit and the feel and why I chose these looks. I did new in Zara because I did ask on my Instagram stories, would you like Zara sale or new in, and the majority said new in, which obviously makes sense. Literally feels like we're coming into autumn now. Although it's warm and stuffy, it is piddling it down outside in the UK. I don't know what it's like elsewhere for you guys. There's been some bad flooding as well, so it really is not the summer weather that I would have hoped for. So these are transitional pieces as well to kind of move to the cooler months, and some of them are good for summer wear as well. One of them I'm thinking of wearing to a wedding. I'll let you know when I come to that. I also have some accessories. If you like the top that I'm wearing today, it's from my Pretty Little Thing haul that I recently did. I'll leave it linked. And also my next video will be about how I style my bob, because I've had a couple of questions about waves. That massive intro out of the way, I will move on to the first look. So for me, a chic look is a all black look. You cannot go wrong with all black. So I thought I would pair together these two items. Is this beautiful shirt. It is buttonless, and I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but it is see-through. So this will work well with like the sheer trend, and it's like organza sheer stripes. It's not picking up that well on camera. It's kind of like a tunic top. It's very long, it would cover the bum, and I just thought this was really nice. I did oversize, so I got a medium because I like oversized shirts. And the way that I would style this is simply with a pair of black trousers. Now the black trousers that I went for, my camera battery is flashing, so I'm gonna have to go up a minute. But the trousers that I went for are a wide leg tailored pair of trousers. These are perfect for wearing to work, so you can wear this to work, but you can also wear them at the weekends, style them down with trainers, style them up with a pair of strappy sandals, and again, it's like a versatile piece for any capsule wardrobe, and super chic, especially when you get the fit right. So hopefully these will look good on. So let's go and have a little look. I'll start furthest away because I have on the flared trousers and the organza shirt, and I love like an oversized look that has some shape. So obviously these flares have a really nice shape. They fit really well here. They're a little bit tight on the thighs, but it's nice to be able to feel them. And then they go down into a really nice little, what do you want to call it? Little flare at the bottom. There you go, I've got it for a minute. And I've just got more with my mango white strappy sandals, and then I shall move closer and show you this lovely organza top. If I move slightly, the battery went, so apologies for that. But the next item I went for is this really detailed and gorgeous dress. The only thing has come, and I'm not too sure on the material, it's a little bit like a shell suit, and I'm kind of worried that when you walk it'll make loads of noise, but I saw this and it kind of reminded me of a Japanese style kimono dress, but it's long length because I've been loving my longer length, so I shall leave my summer dresses video linked in case you guys missed that. There's a few midi maxi lengths in there, and it's in black, obviously, chic and black again. You can pair this down with trainers or you can wear it with strappy sandals. It's also a piece that would be really great for work as well, to wear to the office, so we shall see what this one's like. Next up is the black kind of oriental style dress. I feel very like Mary Poppins in this. I like it more than I thought it would, but it doesn't look as cool on me as it did as the woman on the website. But if you're wondering how you get in, it zips up the side, and then we actually have 2 little pockets. So it is very comfortable, and it doesn't really make too much noise. And we have a little bit of noise going on, but it's just really chic. This to me looks like a designer piece. I've got really cool with my effortless. I'll keep my sandals on for each of these outfits because they're very close to the Zara ones. I'm not sure whether I'm keeping. And to make this super chic, I would pop on the sunglasses with this look. And it would look really cute as well with a straw basket bag. So if you have a straw basket bag, that would dress it down a bit for the day. I don't know though. I like it and I don't like it, so let me know what you think in the comments below whether I can pull this style off or not. Oh, and I also had that in a small. I will leave my sizing information below and the sizes I went for, and also any comments if I think you need to size up or size down. Next, again, great additions to a capsule wardrobe. I have 3 items for more of a casual chic look. So I will start with the base. You can't go wrong with a pair of denim jeans. And to be honest, I haven't tried Zara ones on for years. So these are a size 8 and they may not fit. Don't really know what Zara jean sizes are like, but going off the sizing on the website, these are the size I apparently need, and they are my ever faithful light wash, but this time they've got some rips, and I really miss wearing jeans with ripped knees. There's something so kind of effortless about them, and again, in a capsule wardrobe, they're really easy to make them look dressy or make them look, you know, super casual. You know, I'm going to say trainers or strappy sandals. That's literally one of the easiest ways, and a few accessories to make a look day or night chic. These would always also look nice with the black blouse that I showed you at the start. So these, that black blouse and a pair of black strappy sandals, maybe with a statement belt, half the shirt tucked in, out at the back, big sunnies, super chic. So I picked these up, like I said, in a size UK 8, and I'm loving the worn vibe of these. They look great as well paired with a band tee. To pair with that, I saw this really cute, and it actually feels really soft, rib knit backless vest. So we've got kind of some backless detail and it ties here. It is a lot shorter than it looked on the website, and I did get small. So for my chest, I might have needed a medium, but we'll see what it's like when it's on. Just again, a really good basic, wear it with the jeans, wear it with the black trousers that I just showed you as well. That would be really nice kind of paired together as well. And to finish this look all together, I had to try this blazer because I loved the colour. How beautiful is this blue? It is perfect for spring and summer, but you could also get away with it in autumn, winter. It would look really nice with black actually, because I do like black and blue together, and it would look really nice with denim jeans. I got this in a size medium because I always size up in blazers, but it doesn't have any buttons or any detail on it. It is single breasted though. I maybe could have afforded to go up for a large to make it super oversized, but I just think this is just a really lovely colour, and I love a baby blue. I'm in the jeans at the top, excuse the nipple issue. Jeans wise, the 8s fit really well. These are £50, so I think they're actually from the premium section, but I do really dig the full-on 90s vibe. They're like a straight leg, just got one of my sandals going like that, really flattering on the bum, so I actually like these. I think might splash out and keep these. And then the top is really soft. Like I said, boob issue. I might be better with a medium. I'll come a little bit closer. It's like a rib knit material, and then at the back is where it ties up here. So I do really love that as well. And although obviously it's a bit tight because the boobs, I feel like the medium might be a bit too loose because it's not gaping away around there. But yeah, maybe I would size up to medium in that one, but I really love that, really subtle detail. Might need to find like some nipple covers because for ping is what they're always like at the moment. I'm just going to step back and grab the jacket, so I'm just going to pop the jacket on for you guys so you can see what this looks like. Like I said, the hue works really well with the light top and the denim jeans. Absolutely love that. So this blazer, I feel like I said I could have gone for a large. I probably could have gone for a large. The medium kind of fits normally, but I am quite broad shouldered and I do have long arms, but I always like to roll my arms up. That's another way to look chic, is just to kind of roll up your blazer sleeve. So that's the colour of the blazer on. I would like it a little bit more oversized, so I'd probably get a large, but that's just personal preference. Otherwise, the medium is the perfect for me, and I'm like a, well, 32 on my bust, but I do have like broad shoulders, so it depends how you like the blazers to fit, but it's just really nice, casual, and even you can wear this to the office as well. Not the full look, obviously, but the blazer. Next, I'm adding some colour with this beautiful jumpsuit. I have to admit, I ordered the items when it was really hot outside on my mobile, and I did think this was more of a khaki green, but it is this kind of bluey green, and I'm actually quite digging it because I do really like that kind of baby blue as well. It is a cami style at the top, and then we have some wrap over detail here, and then wide leg, I think possibly culotte style. And this is what I was talking to you guys about, possibly wearing to a wedding that I have in August, because it's not like me to wear colour, but I've been experimenting a little bit lately and put the edit. This is the colour kind of kind of quite nice with blonde. I mean, it'd be nice with any hair colour. With a tan, I thought that might be nice. And something people won't expect because I pretty much always wear black to a wedding. I think it was really cheap as well, £30. Like most of the items in this haul are really affordable. Actually pleasantly surprised with the colour of this, but one thing I will say is you definitely need to size down. This is the small, which is our equivalent to an 8, which is the size I am. At the back, I look like I've got somebody else's on. Probably fits another one of me in here, and it is really gapey around the bust. And I'm a 36 double D, so definitely size down 1 or 2 sizes in this one. But if you're after an alternative for like a wedding or a summer barbecue or christening to a dress, I absolutely love this because it looks like a dress, but then when you move you can tell it's not. It's really lightweight, really comfortable. It'd be perfect on holiday as well actually, so might have to try this in a size or 2 smaller, so that's a little bit of a shame. I did actually pair it as well with the cute little headband because like I said, for like an event or something like that, it's just like a really nice cute addition of glitter. So on the dance floor at night as well, that would be shining away. Last but not least, in a size small again, is this beautiful midi maxi dress. You guys know, I've probably mentioned a few times, I love a midi maxi dress. I love a slip dress style. I've got 2 satin slip dresses that I wear from Zara every time I have an event, one in khaki, one in black. But I love this one because it's like a crinkled up material, so you don't have to worry about ironing it. And then it's just a really nice kind of lace, frill detail, around the bust. And again, dressed up, dressed down. You can layer this as it gets colder with a t-shirt underneath, or in winter a chunky roll neck underneath, or you can put a big thick jumper over the top of it so it looks like you've just got a skirt on. Absolutely love this. It feels really good quality. Sorry, my phone keeps going off. And it is also only £30 again. Finally, we have this gorgeous little ruched, scrunched up dress. I don't even know what I'm trying to say. You can tell that the heat is getting to my head. But again, size small, this one actually fits. It is obviously floaty big, but normally they are, and I feel really comfortable in this. Again, it is pulling on the boobs a little bit, but that is being said because I do have a bigger bust. But I don't think it looks ridiculous, and you can tie this bit here to make it a little bit looser, a little bit tighter. Just an all-round really good purchase for £30. I think it looks really designer. Move forward a bit so you can see the quality. Yeah, it just looks really good quality, really high end for the price, and it feels really soft and it's silky as well. Really good if you have a food baby, so maybe this is one for a wedding and things like that. So maybe I'll wear this in August instead of the green one. Sorry, I'm conscious my head is above there. Finally, I have a few accessories for you guys. Again, really affordable, a real easy way to update any look, I always think. First up is this beautiful headband. It came as a set of 2, but the other one's coloured and I just prefer this one. And they're both bejewelled headbands, and literally I think this is so cute. Like if you have a wedding or an event or something like that, to kind of just add a little bit of bling in your hair. Very princess-like and just subtle, but also really fashionable because funky headbands are in at the moment. I think this would look really nice as well with an all black look, just because kind of you've got a little bit of chic sparkle against it. Sunglasses, something I've not tried from Zara before. I thought I would give some a try. Some good old big chunky style kind of cat eyes. Very much reminded me of Celine glasses, but obviously without the price tag. I think these are £15. I do love them, but I'm not sure whether they're just a tiny bit too on the wide side. So let me know what you think in the comments below. But again, an easy way to look chic is just to throw on some black sunglasses, which I could have actually done with giving a little clean. Then for bags, not so sure on this now it's arrived. I feel like I'm carrying a pillow around with me, but clutch bags, big kind of clutches, are really popular at the moment. And I saw this quilted version. Now you'll get what I mean by looking like a pillow, but you can fit so much stuff inside it. It's just zipped on the inside. You can fit so much stuff in it. It was £19. They also do it in blue, and it does feel really soft, but I just thought it'd be quite like a cool piece to kind of update the look. But yeah, now it's arrived, I'm just thinking it is just asking to be covered in tan and foundation. And onto some shoes. I haven't actually taken the tags off these yet because I'm not sure if I will wear them. Although they fit because Zara do a size 9, I always think Zara shoes are quite small, so size up because I'm normally a size 8. But the problem is they've got a clear strap, perspex strap here. I'll just show you the one. That's a little bit tight on my feet because my feet are quite wide, but we have this gorgeous wood effect detail heel, and then the perspex, and then kind of a cream wrap around your ankle situation. I'm loving wraparound shoes, especially I've been seeing a lot of people on Instagram kind of tie them over with jeans at the moment as well. I think that's a really funky trend. They're only £30 though, so they are super affordable. They would be great for an event as well. Because I've got my mango white sandals, I don't know, I just feel like maybe they might rub and I won't get the wear out of them, but I do absolutely adore them. Zara always have amazing shoes, so definitely go and check out their shoe section. Unfortunately, me being big old foot, I needed the biggest size, and they didn't have many kind of strappy sandals in a size 9, but they have a lot more on the website, so it might be worth going and checking them out. That's the end of my Zara haul. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed it. Do give it a thumbs up if you did, subscribe and click on for notifications so you can see when my videos go live. I'm trying to do 2 a week, we'll see how long that lasts. But like I said, my next video is going to be all about how I curl my hair. If you've got any video requests, do let me know in the comments below and I can make that for you guys. Thanks for joining me today. Who doesn't love a little bit of a Zara shop? So, there you go. I've just got to pick out which ones I want to keep now, so it's going to be a tough cookie on this one, but I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.